everyone. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Grad kit for the school setting. So it always comes with your checklist, so you can make sure that everything that's supposed to be in there is in there. It comes with mini hand sanitizer and wet wipes, very important. It also comes with a "Where is the SLP door" sign with the clip to go with it, so you can say, oh, I'm pushing in or I'm here. Comes with 100 of the magnetic chips with the magnetic wand, very useful. It also comes with behavior punch cards and the hole punch to go with it, so you can punch as they go. Also, the hole punch is useful because kids love punching holes and things. Comes with 5 finger puppets, and these again, very useful. You can use them for anything. It comes with 20 little mini objects, and these vary, and again are just really versatile and can be used for literally anything. 2 mini Play-Doh, and then it also comes with a flash drive with 35 different resources for the school SLP. So there you go. This binder obviously doesn't come with it, but this is just to kind of show you what's included. So things on sign language, apraxia, executive functioning, Dolch sight words, the Link 6 sound check, if your child is deaf, phonological processes. Also comes with a bunch of infographics, what is speech versus language, data collection sheets, all of that.